Good morning, all. So today I am going to present on a topic Bitbucket, which is a source code management tool where we can host our GitHub repositories, run CI/CD pipelines, and store the code securely. So what is a Bitbucket? It is a Git-based source code repository which is developed by the Atlassian, and we can use this Bitbucket for storing, managing, and collaborating with team for the development of code. The different types of supports are it support GitHub repositories and team collaboration. So why we use the Bitbucket in DevOps? We use this as it is provide a centralized code management. Then it will enable the strong collaboration between the team members. We can easily integrate this with the CI/CD pipelines, and it will help us to improve the code quality and security. The different features Bitbucket helps are it is a Git repository hosting. It has services like pull request and code reviews. We can create multiple branches for branching strategy in to develop the application. Bitbucket also provide the built-in CI/CD, which we known as Bitbucket pipelines, so that we can utilize that feature to run the CI/CD pipelines. And also it can integrate with Jira and other tools for the testing and the notification and ticket parts. Bitbucket in CI/CD pipeline. So whenever developers push the code to the Bitbucket, we can trigger the pipelines automatically. The different stages it involves are build, test, and deploy. So Bitbucket also supports the automation in DevOps. The different security features in Bitbucket are it provides the branch level access control, code review info. We can enforce the code review so that the code will be committed only when it is reviewed by the higher authority. It has the secure secret management service where we can uh, store our tokens and passwords and env variables, and it also provides the audit logs. The difference between Bitbucket and GitHub is Bitbucket is a strong enterprise, and it provides a strong enterprise and Jira integration tools. GitHub is openly for large open source community, and both Bitbucket and GitHub provides the support for Git and CI/CD. Benefits of using Bitbucket. The various benefits are we can better collaborate using the Bitbucket. We have secure code management, automated workflows, and also it can scales for the different types need of the teams. So conclusion, Bitbucket is a powerful DevOps tool. It combines source control and CI/CD, and also it is ideal for the teams which are using the Atlassian tools. So as it is developed by Atlassian, and it has a better integration with that with Atlassian tools. Thank you.